Up next in fourth place is the Gonicc Professional Pruning Shears. These pruning shears are perfect for any garden lover looking for secateurs, with a unique design and functionality. Its bidirectional spring return rotating soft grip handle absorbs vibration and allows the shears to run smoothly while reducing user fatigue. The sap groove design minimizes the sticking of sap and debris, allowing for smooth operation. It also has an anti-rust oil coating at the blade to avoid surface damage and keeps it clean by preventing rust damage. In addition, the 8.5 inches length of the blades can help you in various situations where you need to cut branches anywhere from herb gardens to flower patches and even topiaries. It features a high-quality handcrafted milled steel blade with a titanium coating, making the blade extra durable. The stainless steel spring mechanism is designed to absorb shock and tension between the blades and handle during use, reducing any chance of blisters when you are in action. Furthermore, the blade is designed with an innovative airfoil shape for clean cuts even through thicker branches. The curved blades make cutting jobs much more manageable, safer, and faster. These all-purpose tools are designed for professional landscapers and homeowners who desire all-around performance in a lightweight and compact package. Its pros are: its titanium-coated SK5 blade makes it extra strong and resistant to corrosion and rust. It has a bi-directional spring return rotating soft grip handle, making pruning easy on your hands. And its shock absorption allows your hands to remain comfortable as you work. However, it is tricky to use them with gloves on. The Gonicc Professional Pruning Shears are lightweight, easy-to-use pruning shears that feature a soft grip handle and sap groove design, making them ideal for arborists and gardeners of all skill levels. Still haven't found any pruning shears that meet your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.